So now that we have created a voice agent, the next important step is to test it using evals. So first, let's just understand what evals are. Evals are evaluation cases that help us test whether the AI agent behaves the way we expect it to. So each eval represents a possible real world situation the agent might face. For example, a user might be busy, someone might ask about the program, or someone might ask questions that the agent is not allowed to answer. So, for each scenario, we define the expected behavior of the agent along with a pass and a fail criteria. So, this helps us test the agent in a structured and a consistent way. So now let's just generate these evals. So we are using this agent of Ria, an admissions counselor for a professional education program offered by IIM Bangalore. The main aim of this agent is to convey the details of the program and arrange a meeting with the admission counselor. So now for generating the evals, we'll just copy paste this entire prompt and go to ChatGPT. And then we'll just ask the chat GPT, please generate evals for this prompt with pass and fail criteria. Evals should be different case scenarios that the user can say. So we just put it in ChatGPT, or we can also use any other AI platform for this. So as you can see, we get these, and there would be n number of evals that we can test. And now we put it into a sheet like this. So each row represents one evaluation scenario. For example, we can have that the user is unavailable. So or something like a user is asking about program duration, someone with less than required experience, or a user asking about fees. We can have n number of evals. So now let's just start testing these evals. So first we will test a success scenario and then a failure scenario. So for example, we'll test this availability. And now we can test this using the test agent right over here. Yeah, tell me. Okay, actually, I do remember, but I'm very busy right now. Can you call me tomorrow? 6 p.m. would work for me. So, as you can see, I just told the agent that I am busy right now and call me tomorrow. If the agent behaved in that way that it still explains the program, it would be a fail criteria. But then, since the agent handled the situation properly, and it said that okay, I will call you tomorrow, it asked me the time that when should I call, it would be a success case. And then we can write something over here as pass. And then now we can test this fee scenario. For example, we can say that the user asks about the program fees. Okay, and here the expected agent behavior is that the admission manager will tell. Let's just test this and see. Yeah, tell me. Okay, what's this regarding? Yeah, I have. Yeah, I am. Can you please let me know about the fees of this program? Okay. So, as you can see, the agent didn't qualify the evals because it should have directed into this that the admission manager will tell. It should not have tell me the fees. So now we will just refine the prompt according to that. We'll again go to ChatGPT. We'll just write something like, I want a rule where if the user asks about the fees, the agent tells that that information admission manager will tell instead of conveying the fees to me. Make a rule and refine the prompt according to that. So this is the prompt that we give to the chat GPT after having a failure case. So yeah, we just got this rule, and as you can see, we can just copy paste this into our script and save configuration right over here. So yeah, after updating the prompt, the agent now follows the correct behavior, then the issue has been successfully fixed. So this is how evals help us systematically test and improve our voice agent. Instead of randomly testing conversations, evals allow us to simulate real user scenarios, detect failures, refine the prompt, and make the agent more reliable before deploying it.